What's up, motherfuckers? I'm back. Like I said it would be for more action. Hey, there is a shop here. Holy shit. How loud is this? Because this is remote over here. Oh, wow. What in the fucking hell is that? Oh my god, people, do you see that? You can kind of see, well, for me, I can see it. Because I know later it's going to be a little groomy. Not in perfect view. But all to the right, by like the third one, that's barely visible. After the turret gun, after that robot looking head, is a volcano. My god, I want to know. Da 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 da. Bouncer. Bouncer destroys your enemies with these elastically explosive bombs. Not a better victory. 100,000. Lava gun. Melt your opponents with streams of molten lava. I think I'm in love. I shouldn't have bought ammo. I could have got free ammo right there. No, free ammo for the sniper. A lot of free ammo for the sniper, it seems like. What? Ah! One bullet. Damn, it's like the gravity bomb. Well, that proves I'm a horrible shot. How close? Oh, damn, it's close enough to be counted. Damn, man, that's awesome. Bang, oh my god. With the vaporizer. So we're gonna read these each time. I actually read I read some of these. This is me used to pick up and it's explosive bullets have a powerful blaster that will take out nearby enemies. Oh my god. So should we see what it's like? Oh shit. I take full responsibility for what just happened there. I did not know you had to jump. Thus for recommending my death. I took full responsibility for just what happened. I became a god. Bitch. Okay, wow. Holy crap, I wasted 13 and only got like a smidgen of what I should have gotten. And fire. I didn't realize I was talking to like a second later. And also because I was out. Oh, it has a range. That's saddening, actually. Well, that sucks. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Yeah. Ah. Damn, that owned. damn, it still didn't increase for shit. Bam. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Huh. Tight. I bet you a pretty penny start going down. Huh. Looks like I owe you guys a pretty penny. I'm kind of sad by that. I was hoping I would win. Like say fuck all of you. Get a penny. Really? You guys are hella strong. Damn. Take 2 of these things? Okay, cutscene time.
It says, in case of emergency, break glass with wrench. Hold on. This one says, use rock to break glass to get wrench to break glass to get rod. Ooh, I love logic puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with a saw bit.
Your wrench now does more damage.
Ooh, I love it. That was awesome. Your wrench now does more damage. And that's basically all wrench upgrades do. They just do more damage. Solved it. I think that would be me too. I'd just be like, how about we do this instead? Oh my god, I don't know what to use. These guys don't die easy from this weapon. No, screw it. They don't die easy from any weapon. Holy crap. Well, that could have sucked. Well, come on. Wow, look at my ammo compared to my experience I got from that. Absolute shit. Time for shotgun. Wow. I need a new suit of armor. What was that? Oh shit, a purple one heals the entire thing. Holy shit. And Geronimo. Oh my god, my head's getting itchy. I made it.
Hand over the experiment now. I can't do that. You have 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! He's she.
This changes nothing. Where's the experiment?
We have returned it to Mr. Fizzwidget.
Oh, you've just put the whole galaxy in imminent danger. But I don't have time to stand around explaining it to you. If you have any intention of fixing the mess you've made, watch this.
Oh, no. Good thing that wasn't little Susie. Here at the Megacorp testing facility, we make sure the products you buy are safe for you and your family. These are just a few of the products we've rejected to help keep you safe. the Tiny Talk Slingshot, the Nuclear Mousetrap, Self-Wedgifying Underwear, and the Lawn Ninjas. So the next time your toaster doesn't explode in your face, say a little thank you to the Megacorp Testing Facility.
Wow, she's got a few full clues. What does the testing facility have to do with galactic danger? I am unsure. However, I believe we should investigate that location. Well, we're going to need a new ship.
So my question was not the fact that it was a she, since I kind of knew. My question was, how the hell did the rest of her stuff fell off to reveal her girl figure? Hey, shit. Sweet. Oh, god damn it. I just turned this down.
Oh. Hello, sir. Hey, that's my ship. Possession is an illusion. Do not all things belong to the cosmos? No. That's definitely mine. This vessel suffers from wounded charge. Only the power of the crystals can hope to heal it. Crystals, sir? Crystals, like those found in the desert, beyond. Oh. Well, we don't have any better ideas. Let's go grab a few crystals.
You think let's repair the ship. So I'm gonna go collect about 500. If I remember correctly, there actually is 100 of these. Of course, this is if I remember correctly, which surprises me if I don't. I don't know. Okay, this is kind of pointless. I think you get a skill point for collecting all of them. I just don't know how many there are. I also know this place is a bitch. I'm getting closer and closer to the lava god. And those are the crystals we're looking for, that purple thing. Now, if we're gonna so pack powerful explosion, you think it could do more? Whatever. And now, stop. 1. Oh man. That's gay. Wow. So many shots went into this. Oh man. That's a lot faster, actually, surprisingly enough. Let's see. I think the bolt can easily get you 100,000 or something like that. Okay. Yeah, that could have sucked. For some reason I didn't like doing this. I can't remember why fully. Actually, no, I think it's that thing. I think that's why. I remember giant monsters, but I don't remember if it was this area or not. Yeah. Anyone else here going to challenge my authority or my machine church gun thing? That thing got owned. How did I get hurt? When did I get hurt? Okay, I could do more with these things than the other things, but alright. Did it? Wow. Bitch. Suck it, motherfucker. Wow. Well, that's kind of blue. But alright. Oh man, crystal collecting. Who would have thought? Damn, man, these guys are fucking invincible, I swear.